Do you want to have healthy and vibrant orchids in your home garden? Orchid care is a delicate art, hinging on understanding these exotic plants' unique needs. It's the key to their thriving and blooming in all their glory. Stay with us as we delve into the step-by-step guide to achieving healthier and more vibrant orchids. First things first, choosing the right orchid for your home. The key is understanding the unique needs of different orchid species. Some thrive in humid environments, others prefer cooler climates. Remember, a suitable orchid species sets the foundation for successful orchid care. Next, let's discuss the proper watering techniques for your chosen orchid. Overwatering or underwatering can lead to orchid distress. Feel the potting media. If it's dry, it's time to water. Thoroughly soak, but don't let the plant sit in water. Remember, the key to watering orchids is balance. Now, let's talk about lighting and temperature. Orchids thrive in bright, indirect light and moderate temperatures. To adjust these, consider the orchid's natural habitat. Tropical orchids, for example, enjoy warmth and filtered sunlight. Proper lighting and temperature are crucial for your orchid's health and vibrancy. Finally, feeding your orchid. Orchids thrive on nutrients, so it's vital to use a balanced fertilizer. Orchids enjoy a light meal, a half-strength solution, every other week. Remember, less is more with orchid food. Feeding your orchid well can lead to more vibrant blooms. And there you have it, a simple guide to orchid care. We've unraveled the mysteries of selecting the right orchid, mastering the art of watering, finding the perfect light and temperature, and feeding your beautiful bloom. Each step is a crucial piece of the puzzle in maintaining healthy and vibrant orchids. Remember, the secret to a thriving orchid garden starts with understanding and patience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more orchid care tips. Happy gardening!